Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about the next workshops I'm working on for a couple of months now, who are related to my book The Terrestrial Adventure from the Stars by the Golden Brotherhood of Orion, a fraternity of ascended masters. While I was writing the book, so a couple of years ago now, I was like, wow, what an experience. I was experiencing some incredible statements, incredible ways to feel the world. I had literally nobody anymore. And it was such an experience of self-love, of awareness. And I've been thinking about all of that all these years, and I was like, I'd like to share that with somebody else. I'd like to create something, and not just only creating something. I'd like to gather some people who are looking for the same thing as myself, in order to touch something else, to touch something bigger than what I can touch by myself. Because I know that when we are gathering under the same name, under the one, some magical events can happen. So the workshops are based on the book, like I said, and they're like experiences of the teachings. So let's say, for example, the masters talk about self-love, how to love ourselves, how to be coherent with ourselves. They explain the thing very logically. They try to bring us to another perspective of ourselves, which is already really good. But in the workshop, I would like to bring you to have the experience of being love, of being awareness. I would like to live with you the sense of belonging with love itself, and not just with love, because we are going to talk about a couple of ideas like how to be stable, how to be coherent, how we nourish ourselves, and what is self-consciousness, how to come back to the essential, what is authenticity, self-listening, and how to walk on our path peacefully, and a lot of other things. So those workshops are really about experiencing the spiritual into the practical. And I'm really looking forward to experience that with you, to accompany you with the Masters of Orion on your path, because it's going to be individual and collective at the same time. So yeah, that's it. I could talk about that a lot more, but the essential is here, and the invitation is here as well. And I'm really looking forward to the workshops, who are named The Terrestrial Adventure from the Stars, the Masters Within. So that's it. Thank you for listening to me, and I wish you the best. Thank you.